Magandang araw, Grade 8. Ngayong umaga ay pag-aaralan natin ang linear inequality in two variables. So para mas lalo niyong maintindihan, isa-isahin natin ang mga katangian ng linear inequality in two variables. Una, linear. Pag sinabing linear, ito ay ang mga mathematical statements na mayroong mga exponents which is equal to 1 or the highest exponent is 1. Inequality, ito ay ang mga mathematical statements na gumagamit ng mga symbols na less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, and not equal. Example, y plus x is less than 3. In this mathematical statement, meron tayong dalawang variables, which are y and x. So, ito ay ang ating ibig sabihin ng two variables. And, kung mapapansin nyo, walang exponent yung y at wala ring exponent ang x. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, it has an exponent which is equal to 1. So, the highest exponent here is 1. Y is raised to 1. X is also raised to 1. And it is inequality. Dahil gumagamit siya ng less than sign or less than symbol. Okay. Another example is m is less than or equal n plus 4. So, in this example, we have two variables, m at n. At ang kanilang highest exponent ay 1. At gumagamit ng symbol na less than or equal. Another one is p is greater than or equal 9 plus r. So, in this example, we have two variables which are p and r. At ang highest exponent ay 1. So, ito ay ang mga halimbawa ng linear inequality in two variables. Okay, so subukan natin ang inyong pagkakaunawa. Sasabihin nyo lang ng yes kung ito ay halimbawa ng linear inequality in two variables. At no, kung ito ay hindi halimbawa ng linear inequality in two variables. First example, y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, so ang tamang sagot ay no. Dahil ang ginamit na symbol ay equal. Okay, another example, x greater than 4x plus 5. Tama. Ito rin ay hindi halimbawa. So, the answer is no. Bakit? Kung mapapansin nyo, meron ditong isang variable lamang. There's only one variable which is x. And there's no other variable in the example. Okay? Next. M greater than n minus 2. Correct. The answer is yes. So, we have here two variables, m and n. And the symbol used is greater than. Next. X squared plus y greater than or equal 0. Tama. The correct answer is no. Dahil merong exponent or the highest exponent here is 2. So, in linear equation or linear inequality, the highest exponent should be equal to 1. So, this is not an example. Dahil naunawaan na ninyo kung anong ibig sabihin ng linear inequality in two variables, proceed tayo sa graphing of linear inequality. Okay, so first step is we will convert the linear inequality into a linear equation. Okay, so let's take y less than 3x plus 1 as an example. So the number one step is we will make this symbol an equal symbol. So y equals 3x plus 1. So sa halip na ang isusulat natin ay less than, papalitan natin yan ng equal. Okay? So kung mapapansin niyo, ito ay ang slope-intercept form ng linear equation. Sa form na ito, madali natin ma-identify kung ano ang slope at kung ano ang y-intercept. Okay? And here, the slope m is equal to 3. Kung ano ang kasama ng x, yun ay ang value ng slope. And the y-intercept b is equal to 1. Okay? Coming from this information, madali nating magagraph, okay, ang linear equation na ito. At pwede pa natin makuha from the value of m kung ano ang rise at kung ano rin yung run. Remember, the slope is rise over run. So in here, the rise is 3 and the run is equal to 1. So paano naging 1? Kasi kung matatandaan nyo, lahat ng whole number, yan ay merong denominator which is equal to 1. Okay? So in here, the rise is 3 and the run is 1. Okay, so let's graph. Una natin i-graph ay ang y-intercept. So ang y-intercept, yan ay ang point within the y-axis kung saan dadaan ang ating graph. So since b is equal to 1, okay, we will put the point within the scale 1 within the y-axis. So ito ang ating y-intercept. Okay? And coming from the y-intercept, we will use the information of the value of m, which is 3. So, ibig sabihin, rise equals to 3. Tataas siya or aakyat siya ng 3 beses from the y-intercept. Okay? So, from the y-intercept, we will count 3 upward. So, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay? At information of the run is equal to 1. So, after we rise 3 times, we will move horizontally. Okay, so tatakbo siya horizontally ng isang beses. So, from here, we will count 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the point will be in 1, 4. Remember, 2 points determine the line, so we'll connect the 2 points. Okay, so this is now the graph of y is equal to 3x plus 1. So kung mapapansin niyo, gumamit ako dito ng broken lines. It is because of the symbol less than. Okay? Kapag ang symbol ng ating inequality ay greater than or less than, we will use the broken line. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin ng broken line na yan, yung mga points na dadaanan ng linya ay hindi kasali sa solution ng ating inequality. Pero kung ang mga sign or symbols na ginamit sa ating inequality ay greater than or equal, o kaya naman ay less than or equal, you will use here, ang gagamitin nyo ay ang solid line. Ang ibig sabihin naman nun, lahat ng point within that line ay kasali na sa solution ng ating inequality. Now, eto ang ating plane divider. Ang linya na to ay plane divider. So, hindi pa natin alam dito kung ano ba talaga ang solution ng ating inequality. Okay? Kung yung portion or part at the left side of the line or the portion or the part of our Cartesian plane in the right side, okay, of the line. So, para malaman natin kung alin dyan ang portion or yung part na solution ng ating inequality, ay magta-try tayo ng points. Okay? Kung ano yung magsasatisfy sa ating inequality, meaning to say, yun ay yung portion na solution ng ating inequality. Okay, so example. So let's try here. The point, this point is negative 1, 1. Okay? So i-try natin ang negative 1, 1 if it will satisfy our inequality. Okay, so I will erase this now. So para try natin kung magsasatisfy siya ng inequality or not, ang gagawin natin is we will just substitute, okay, the values of the x and y from the inequality. So ang y daw doon ay 1 less than, copy natin yung slope, and then the value of x here is negative 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 less than 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 1. So 1 is less than negative 3 plus 1, that is negative 2. So as you can see, this will not satisfy the condition. 1 is less than negative 2. Okay? So alam naman natin na ang negative 2 ay mas maliit kaysa sa 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this portion, okay, the left side portion of our Cartesian plane does not satisfy the solutions of the linear inequality. So, ang ibig sabihin lamang yan ay yung nasa right side, okay, portion, ang solutions ng ating inequality. So, to be sure of that, let's try 1 point. Okay? So, gamitin natin ang point na, okay, 1, 1. Okay, the value of x is 1, the value of y is 1. Okay? So, y is 1 less than 3 times 1 plus 1. Okay, so, here, saan galing itong 1 na to? From this point, the value of x is 1. Remember, this is x and this is the y. Okay? So here, 1 less than 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. Okay? So 1 less than 3 plus 1 is 4. So in this case, it will satisfy the inequality. 1 is less than 4, which is true. Okay? Since tama ang ating solution or yung final answer dito, it will satisfy the condition which is 1 is less than 4. Okay? So, meaning to say, the portion at the right side are the solution. So, para ma-graph natin yan or to determine that that is the solution of the inequality, we will shade this part. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so meaning to say, this shaded part, okay, the shaded part or shaded portion of the Cartesian plane, those are the solutions of our inequality.